Hello everyone, and welcome to my Sister Wives Today Update channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Kody Brown of Sister Wives defends Christine in her lawsuit. Near the middle of September, Christine Brown Woolley, star of Sister Wives, sued Kody Brown. However, Kody is now prepared to defend himself against Christine, his ex-wife, by filing a countersuit. The issue also involves discussions about custody and child support for Truly Brown. Attorney Kody Brown fights Christine's lawsuit. According to online court records that the Ashley was able to view, Kody Brown showed up for court on October 13 accompanied by a new attorney. In the lawsuit that his ex-wife, Christine Brown Woolley, filed against him on September 16, Kody has enlisted the services of a Utah-based attorney to defend him. In response to Christine's lawsuit, Kody and his attorney now filed a counterclaim. The Ashley claims that Christine used her married name, Christine Woolley, while submitting the court paperwork. She sued Kody in a petition for declaration of paternity, child custody, parent time, and support. Christine Brown Woolley is requesting a paternity test from Kody Brown in the petition. The fact that Truly is his biological daughter is what she wants documented. There was simply a spiritual union between them and no formal documentation because Christine was Kody's third wife in their multiple marriage. Although it has helped her in certain respects, the fact that he isn't listed on the birth certificate presents a problem when it comes to child support litigation. Given that a price was paid for something paternity-related relating to the lawsuit, it appears that Kody has complied with the request. Although Kody Brown and Christine Brown Woolley lead public lives on television, they are taking measures to hide facts. Kody or Christine have asked that family information be designated as not public in the court filings. The only people who can view it are the courts, Kody and Christine, and their legal representatives. The Ashley, however, affirms that the case has a domestic relations injunction, which was submitted alongside Christine's paternity complaint. Both parties are prohibited from harassing, intimidating, or disturbing the peace of the other party, by any means, including electronically, with this attached. Additionally, it forbids domestic violence or abuse against the other party or a child by any side. The injunction also clarifies the guidelines for Kody Brown and Christine Brown Woolley's interactions with Truly throughout the ongoing legal proceedings. In particular, neither parent may travel with Truly without the other's permission. Additionally, the parent making the request needs to provide precise travel information as well as a means of getting in touch with Truly while traveling. Additionally, they are prohibited from saying anything that will demean or disparage, talk badly about the other party while Truly is around. Kody and Christine are also not allowed to attempt to influence the children's preference regarding custody or parent time. Furthermore, neither parent should say anything that would negatively affect the love and affection of the children for the other party, or involve the children in the issues of the petition. But on her Sister Wives media tour, Christine has been calling Kody a deadbeat dad in public. She also claims that Kody does not often spend time with Truly or provide her with financial support. One Reddit user comments, "This will be the last episode of the show. In confessionals, everyone will have to control their behavior, and nobody will want to take the chance of being in the same room. I don't think this will end the show if a kid killing himself didn't." Someone clarifies, "That's standard when the father isn't on the birth certificate," even though someone questions whether Christine is wondering if Kody is the father. Before they can make decisions on custody and child support, they must determine who is the parent. Michael T. Brown's accusations against Kody for throwing her sister under the bus. Michael T. Brown was Kody Brown's sole ally with regard to his elder children for a long time. Because of his self-centered outbursts, the Sister Wives star has done a fantastic job of alienating his polygamous family. However, Michael T. frequently chose to be Switzerland in her interactions with Robin Brown and her father, wanting to be the one to stabilize the tumultuous household. But after seeing the most recent episode, Michael T. switches sides and confronts Kody about his transgressions. Kody struggles to keep his thoughts to himself. Kody appears completely comfortable putting his elder children under the bus, even though most grown individuals know better than to discuss their kids. In the most recent episode of Sister Wives, Kody referred to Maddie Brown as a gossip. "They're deliberately excluding me from their lives to punish me for a crime I didn't commit," the 18-year-old father continued. The gun seller revealed, "You saw Madison take her kids and scuttle them away from me," during his altercation with Robin. "She kept her pregnancy a secret from me. She never disclosed to me that she was expecting a child. The only thing the kids are upset with him about is the way he has treated his family," Maddie's mother, Janelle Brown, revealed on the same episode. "The manner in which he has essentially abandoned and really, Maddie doesn't have any contact with him," Janelle clarified. "She takes great care of her kids. Evie is 3.5 years old, and Kody hasn't been there since she was born. Furthermore, she didn't want him to simply show up and introduce himself as her grandfather. And they'll say, 'What? Who is this man? Do you understand what I mean?'" In his confessional, Kody asserted that it was unfair to presume that grandparents could constantly be involved in their grandchildren's lives. However, Maddie and the audience saw it as merely another pretext. Maddie's sister, Mykelti, decided to confront their father about his thoughtless remarks. The Sister Wives actress corrected the situation on her Patreon. She wrote in a harsh evaluation, "If he simply said, 'Look, I see I did blank wrong,' instead of blaming the parents, the children, the way they feel about his relationship with his other wife, rumor, or anything else. I apologize. Can we discuss it? That seems like it would make a big difference." Mykelti told her fans she had to let her father know when she owed him an apology. "I have said, 'Look, Dad, this situation happened,'" the mother of 3 wrote. "You fulfilled my request for you to accomplish this for me. We're having problems because you placed the blame elsewhere." Mykelti went on to say that her dad typically accepts responsibility once she helps him relax. "To get there, though, is a lengthy trip. I've had to go straight to him and say, 'Look, this is what happened,'" Kody's daughter continued. "Additionally, he has taken responsibility with me directly. Although he has accepted responsibility, he also placed the blame elsewhere." Fans of Sister Wives are aware that this is a recurring theme in Kody's problem-solving. Mykelti continued by informing fans, "And I believe that all of my siblings and I needed was for him to absolve me of any responsibility. Say, 'I'm sorry,' but don't necessarily accept full responsibility. I am aware of my mistakes. What can I do to correct them?" The relationship between Mykelti and Kody is in ruins. "He could still say, 'I think you did wrong as well,'" she continued. "However, I believe that taking some responsibility would have a significant impact. There's a certain degree of pride that Kody is displaying," Tony Padron continued, "and he doesn't want to step down and take responsibility or lay down and become vulnerable at any time. He's talking about his kids in a really arrogant manner, as if he feels entitled to treat other people the same way because some of them are grown-ups. However, he doesn't fully comprehend that they are his children. You will always be in a parenting role of some kind. Additionally, he simply refuses to take a stand." Let's hope Kody watched this episode since Tony was right on the money with his appraisal of the relationship's demise.